to avoid unnecessary damage. Test your phone for smoothness before you start. Then turn off your cell phone. First, remove the bottom screws. Heat the lower half of the screen evenly for 3 to 5 minutes. The purpose is to soften the glue for better removal. Then place the suction cup at the bottom corner of the screen and carefully lift it upwards. Use the tool to gently stroke left and right. Split screen. Gently lift from the left to the right as the axis points to the right. After lifting the screen, you need to hold an object to support the screen panel. Remove the screws from the screen cable retaining iron tabs. Remove the retaining iron for the screen connection cable. Remove the screws from the battery cable retaining iron tabs. Remove the battery cable retaining iron. Lift up the battery cable. Priya opens the connecting cable and removes the screen. Remove the battery adhesive with a tool. Remove the battery with a tool. Take out the prepared batteries and battery adhesive. Remove the adhesive backing and tear off the covering film. Align the battery and apply adhesive to the back of the battery. Compare old and new battery wiring for consistency. Align the battery with the position and install it into the body. Align the dust adhesive to the position and stick it. Then peel off the film on the back of the dust-proof adhesive. Align the battery cable with the interface and install it properly. Cover the screen and turn on the phone to check. Check if the battery is charging properly. After the power on test functions are normal. Install the cable retaining iron in its original position. Put the screen cover on and press the edge of the screen. Installation of bottom screws. Installation completed.